Here's a great affordability hack when it comes to trying to buy a home. Take a look at renovation loans. Now, this renovation loan product is a one-time loan. This allows you to purchase the home, finance in the repair costs. You will close, fund. Now you own the home. Renovations start. You don't need to requalify. This program is available with FHA, VA, USDA, conventional loans, and they all use standard loan qualifications. Now, imagine this. You're out there, you're looking for a home. You can't find the home that has all the amenities that you want, or, you're looking in a high demand area. Keep this in mind. When you're looking at these fixer-uppers or these ugly houses in beautiful neighborhoods, so to speak, normally you're going to be competing with real estate investors. Now, most investors, they're looking for a for-profit transaction, meaning that they may be offering a discounted offer that most sellers don't want. The seller normally are in a distressed situation, meaning that they don't have the funds in order to repair or fix up the home. That way, it is available on the market for the majority of people. Again, you're special. You're watching Mortgage Sensei here. So go in, get qualified for this program, and then start taking a look at those ugly houses. Have a creative mindset, HGTV style it, right? This is Nelson Thompson, aka the Mortgage Sensei, powered by Edge Home Finance. If you like this video, please follow, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the other side of home ownership.